In this video, we're going to go over the auto resume header functions. So we're going to navigate to main menu, machine settings, header. Lower left corner, we have our auto control. And then what we're going to be focusing on here at the bottom of the screen, the 3 resume preferences. On this machine, it's an S790. We have 3 options. We have auto reel speed, fore and aft resume, and reel position resume. Most cases, the majority of people have on auto reel speed, and that's it. Some people do like fore and aft resume and reel position resume. You will not have reel position resume on a corn head, but you will have fore and aft resume. This particular thing, we've got a platform. So the first thing we need to do to adjust these, it does not have, machine does not have to be running, but the header switch does need to be engaged. So we're going to engage the header switch by itself. Now, the ones we're going to be focusing on most of the time for these resumes are number 2 and 3. However, you can also set up number 1. So we're going to start by pushing number 3. And we look at our right-hand corner post, we see that we have reel position resume on. We want to set that reel position resume. We push the number 3 button so that it shows up. Now we move our reel to the position we want it to be in. Once we have that set, we're going to press and hold the number 3 button again. As you can see, this little icon flashes. When it stops flashing, it has now saved the position of the reel for that resume. Same thing applies to our fore and aft resume. You simply set your fore and aft where you want it for that, whether it's number 1, 2, or 3. You set the position, you press and hold the button, and it will save that position when you need it. Use instances for this reel position resume. When you press number 1, a lot of times guys running soybeans will have that reel come down and back to grab stuff that's kind of fall off at the end. And then when they push number 2 or 3, that reel position will go back up and out for running through the field.